Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I'm Jose. Shelly's inside doing some things. I decided to put up all my puck lights that I bought from Timo. I did do a video on installation on one, but I wanted to redo it in case anybody missed it. I have the puck lights on all the ones you see here. 1, 2, and 3. Let's see if you can just... And these puck lights goes from warm to hot to blue. And it goes from bright, warm, and then a mixture of the two, and then blue, and then, but if you want to shut it off, you keep it pressed. This is the remote that it comes with. And it's on and off, sleep. So you see how it dimmed? That's bright, low setting, and then you can go up 1, 2. I think there's 3 settings, so you go up, down 2, and up 2. That's the warm light. 1, 2, 1, 2. See how it goes down 2 and up 2? Yep, you can see that. And then a mixture of the two. Yeah, cool. And then the blue light doesn't do anything with the remote. But that's the remote it comes with, simple. And what I'm going to do is I brought some stuff on Timo magnet. You put a little magnet in there and you can, I'm going to put it on the side with Shelly. Because Shelly's going to control these most of the time. Because she goes to bed earlier than me. And then I can be out here messing with these lights. And then when we do the blackout shades, then she can control all those. Let's keep this over here for now. So cool. I like them. I'm just going to show you how I installed them. Now, the puck light looks, the old puck light looks like these right here. Nice and bright. For light, it's cool, but you know, it's just too bright sometimes. Twist it, righty tighty, lefty loosey. See that? Go all the way and it just fall off. Take out all those 3 screws. You're not going to use those 3 screws. They're a little bit too big for the light we're putting in. And that's what I did here. Now, the lights are on, so it's hot. You want to shut the lights off? To cut the power off the lights. So I shut it off here. That means there's no juice going all the way through all the lights. And you can see that? No juice. They have these things that connect the wires together and they crimp them. So you have to uncrimp them, but then you're going to reuse these unless you want to use a different. And they come right off. And uncrimp it. Sometimes you can just feel it. I only got a pack of 4. This is my last one I got to put on. And I just ordered 8 more. That'll give me 1 extra.
We're all about getting out and exploring what life has to offer. Our speed is not fast. We take our time. We will get there eventually. Embracing the journey, feeling so.
Just test it out. Just turn the circuit breaker back on, or the switch back on, and hit the button, see if it works. Nice. Now these 3, you have to use the screws from the package. Because the screws that come out of it is just too big. And then you won't be able to fit these little white caps on there. They do come with their own anchors. Comes with a bag like that with all the screws you need and all the anchors. And these, you can put these on to cover the screws. Now these screws, these holes are exactly the same as the holes that were in there now. You just put it up and make sure the wires are all the way up.
Flipping through the pages of the console book. This is not about
line up
reading, but about
one of the holes.
Come and join us, see which one we took. Come on and like and subscribe to the Gods of Blue. The Gods of Blue. Flipping through the pages of the console book. This is not about reading, but about the look. Come and
then bam,
join
you got
us,
your legs.
we took. Come on and like and subscribe to
Where's
the
the
Gods of
remote?
Blue.
Just shut it off. Bam, remote. Shut it off. Blue light. So the sleep button controls if you have it on blue or warm or the bright light, just like it is now. See that? And then the brightness is right here. And then you go to a different setting. That's the warm. And then that's the lowest setting. 1, 2. That's the double setting. That's how you can tell when you shut it off. Nice. So nice. It lights up that. Oh, let me shut my one light off. My camping light. Is it off? Let's go back. There you go. Look how bright that is. It's nice. This one is on both of them. You can change it to. Where are the two of them? Bright, bright, bright. That's bright regular. Oh yeah, that warm light is definitely cozier. Definitely cozier. And then you have your mixture of the both, and then you have your blue lights. Let's see how all the blue lights. Some of them will be on. Oh, that's nice. Nice how they look. Fancy. That's it. That's my light mod for my 20 FPS. I have a GeoPro, Rockwell GeoPro 20 FPS. But this light, I can almost guarantee would work with any trailer that had the same type of puck light. So, but just test yours out. I mean, I never get, if I needed 16, I just get one pack of 4, see if it works. And then after that, if it works, I get the rest. And that's what I did. I just ordered them today. So, all right. So without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.